Hi everyone, it's me again, Kuya Daniel, and meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo kung bakit kailangan natin magkaroon ng MBA. So marami kasi nagsasabi na ang pagkakaroon ng master's degree ay hindi naman kailangan dito sa Pilipinas. Sige na, pakinggan na natin yung sinasabi nila na yun. Pero dito tayo sa side na kung saan importante na magkaroon tayo ng business ad na master's degree. Okay? So good day everyone. In today's fast-changing and highly competitive world, having strong business knowledge is no longer optional. It is essential. Essential. A master's degree in business administration equips us with the skills to think strategically, lead confidently, and make sound decision. Okay? An MBA does not only teach finance, marketing, or management. It trains us to solve real world problems, adapt to change, and lead with integrity. It is also open doors to better career opportunities, professional growth, and a wider network of experts and leaders. Most importantly, an MBA prepares us to create value not just for ourselves but for organization and society. In a world that demands capable and ethical leaders, pursuing an MBA is an investment in leaderships, innovation, and long-term success. Okay? Thank you. So, so ganito, no? Ang maganda kasi sa pagiging MBA, pag nag-retire ka na, pwede ka maging university professor. Yun lang. Bye.